joined now by Nilang Mehta, who is our fund manager for India Equities. And Nilang, India stocks have shown positive performance again in 2024, although the market has lagged some of the other emerging markets. And a key question that comes up all the time from investors is, after the recent volatility, can India stocks regain momentum in the second half of the year?
Thanks, Joe. As you know, Indian election results turn out to be as unpredictable as Indian monsoons. While early opinion polls and post-election exit polls were all predicting a comfortable win for Prime Minister Modi's BJP-led NDA alliance, actual results fell short of full majority for the BJP. Though its NDA alliance has secured a full majority and now have gone ahead and formed the government. What needs to be highlighted, like unlike in the past, BJP does not have a full majority in the House. And this time around, they will need to work more closely with its alliance partners and build consensus on key policy issues. With the announcement of cabinet recently, it is now clear that existing key ministers will retain their key ministries, especially like finance, transport, railways, and defense. This sends a very strong messaging in terms of policy continuity and with regards to macro stability as well. Uh, we regard this that into the elections, we saw foreign institutional investors, selling around $5.5 billion of Indian equities, primarily in order to de-risk into a political uncertain event. But on the contrary, when you look at the domestic institutional investors, on a year-to-date basis, they've bought more than $25 billion of Indian equities, which is more than whole of last year. So what drives the performance going into second half, if you ask me, is going to be led primarily by policy announcements in the initial days as government prepares to announce its first 100-day plan and then followed by the union budget. And then the corporate earnings. So the quarter gone by, corporate earnings were quite robust. For the full year, we are looking at corporate earnings, which would be upwards of 15% growth. So that these are the factors, I guess, should help drive the performance of the Indian equities in the second half of the year, Joe.
That's great, Nilang. Thanks a lot for your insights.